Hello, lovely people. Welcome back again to my channel. I'm so glad to come your way again. Let's make this easy plantain chips recipe. So I have with me here my plantain, which I've already washed. I will go ahead and peel the skin off. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, hello, my name is Gertrude and you are welcome to this channel. We make anything related to food recipes. If you are interested and you like my content, please click on the subscribe button while you hit the bell icon to get notified anytime I post a new video. Okay guys, so after peeling, I went ahead to heat my oil, and this is also my salt solution water. After 15 minutes of heating, I will go ahead, use my slicer and slice the plantain gently into the hot oil. And I want to use this opportunity to appreciate my returning subscribers. Thank you guys so much for always using your precious time to watch every video I post. I do appreciate and thank you so much. And to my new subscribers, you guys are so amazing. Are you still watching up to this time? If you are, thank you so much, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also share this video among others. So after frying, I went ahead to take them off from the oil. So I'm going to repeat this process until every plantain is well fried. So guys, please stay tuned. Alright fam, so this is the result of our plantain chips. This came out so perfect and crunchy as well, and I really enjoyed it. Just hear the crunchy sound of this plantain chips. Thank you so much for watching guys. See you in my next one, and bye.